Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn multiplying fractions together, step by step. Multiplying fractions is simple. Multiply the top numbers together, then multiply the bottom numbers together. For 2/3 times 4/5, 2 times 4 is 8, and 3 times 5 is 15. So 2/3 times 4/5 equals 8/15. 8 and 15 share no common factor, so this fraction is already in its simplest form. The word of means multiply. 1/2 of 1/4 means 1/2 times 1/4. That gives 1/8. Notice the answer is smaller because we took only part of a part. Let's try 3/4 times 2/9. 3 times 2 is 6, and 4 times 9 is 36. 6/36 simplifies to 1/6 by dividing both numbers by 6. So to multiply fractions, multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators, then simplify if you can. Remember that of means multiply, and a fraction of a fraction gives a smaller result. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.